All right, this time we've got a system of equations problem, or at least according to the directions, that's how they want us to solve it. So if you're going to solve this using a linear and a quadratic system, what that means is they want you to graph the two sides of the equation separately and then look for where they intersect. So if we're going to use the first equation as 4x squared minus 13x plus 8, and for the second equation, we're going to use y equals 12 minus 7x. Now, a real important thing here is I added these y's in here just to help me solve the problem. Was there a y in the original actual equation, though? No. So when I go and graph these, I'm going to graph them on a coordinate graph and look for where they intersect. My solution is not anything to do with the y's. It's just the x values that I find for the actual answers that I'm going to end up typing in for my solution. And it does say round it to 2 decimal places, so as long as we're pretty close. And again, for me, I'm going to say, let's just jump over to Desmos and do that problem. Let me make sure I've got the right equations. 4x squared minus 13x plus 8 and 12 minus 7x. All right, so let's jump over to a Desmos screen here, desmos.com graphing calculator, and just type in the two equations. Y equals 4x shift 6 for the caret squared minus 13x plus 8. Does that look right? 4x squared minus 13x plus 8, yep. And then in the second one, y equals 12 minus 7x. So nice on Desmos because it just tells you the answers right there. Remember, it's only the x values. So this one would be just the negative 0.5. And the other place where it intersected right down here would be just the positive 2, the x value. The y's weren't in the original problem. We'll go back there. The original problem did not have the y's as part of the question. So just those two that were on that Desmos, I think it was negative 0.5 and positive 2, separated by a comma, or what I would type in that box. So using a system of equations to solve this, you could do it algebraically. I don't think it would know which method you use. So if you wanted to use a different method, you could probably do that. Hope that helps you on being able to use a system of equations to solve this quadratic and linear problem.